Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Jain. Welcome back to my channel, The Light Baker. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload. So many students asked me about what is audio recording? What is this mechanism? How does it work? How to record it? When should we record it? And how is it useful? So I thought of making a video on this because this is something which I truly believe in and I have been using it since a long time because I really feel that this is useful for any kind of student of any class, of any profession, across any degree. So here I am making a video on all about audio notes. So let's get started. So the first thing is, what are audio notes? So basically audio notes are notes that we record in our laptop or our phone in our voice to have better understanding or to remember it, to retain certain topics, certain definition, formulas. So what is the principle behind audio notes? It is truly believed that when we teach others, when we explain anything to other person, we retain more, we remember more. Basically 90% of the topic is something which we remember when we teach others. So audio notes is a kind of explaining ourselves certain topic, certain definition, certain formula which we can use whenever we are not being able to physically read books. We can hear it, we can listen to it. This is basically imagining that there are students who are listening to us, but technically we are explaining this to ourselves so that in future we can listen to it, and whenever we record, we retain more, we remember more. So when should we record audio notes? I personally feel whenever we wish to learn anything or retain anything, or if we want a better explanation of any topic, definitions, formulas, or any structured topics, then we can use audio notes. Like I used to use it in my ITSM paper, ISCA paper, audit papers, for any formulas of SFM. So there are many topics in chartered accountancy course which I feel that you can record and listen to it later, and it will help you to remember it more. So next is, why audio notes? So the first reason is, written notes are a bit time consuming, tedious, boring at times, as well as it cannot be used when we are out, when we are traveling, when we are commuting, or we are not well. At that time audio notes comes at a rescue. Basically audio notes are fast, it gives better explanation as well. So ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच से बेटर ऑडियो नोट्स होता है सर्टेन टॉपिक्स के लिए. सेकेंड रीजन इज, ऑडियो नोट्स गिव अस बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन, बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द टॉपिक. जब भी वी एक्सप्लेन एनी टॉपिक टू समवन एल्स, वी गेट मेनी क्वेश्चंस, वी गेट आंसर्स ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो, एंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग is much better when we teach anybody else. So when we explain or record anything for ourselves, it will give a better understanding of that topic. Basically clarity of the topic is much better. Another reason is, when we record, while recording, if we are stuck anywhere and after a point of time, whenever we listen to those records, we get an idea about our weak points. At that time immediately you can open your book and look into it, whatever is your weak areas. So when we record it, it gets stored wherever you got stuck, and in that way when you revise, it helps you to again go to those topics which were your weak areas. Another reason is, it also improves our efficiency. See, whenever we are driving or commuting or traveling or going to different coachings, or when we are sick, or we feel like going out, gardening, or anywhere basically where you cannot carry your book, maybe family functions or any birthday parties or anywhere which you cannot avoid, basically unavoidable circumstances, and that at that time we can listen to those audios and nobody will actually say you anything. If you open a book at any point of time, people say kya padhna hai abhi, it's okay, you can study later. But when you listen to audios, you can just say that you are listening to music, and in that way when you commute, when you travel, when you attend those functions or any damn thing, you can listen to those audios and revise those topics. Like when I was a student, when I was a CS student, I used to go to temple every day. So in the evening, while going and coming back, I used to listen to audios which I recorded for my audit paper, for my SFM paper, for my tax paper. So it basically, you can use your time properly, so it makes you efficient as well. Another reason is, when we listen to any music or any song, does it takes any effort to remember those songs? No, because when we listen, we keep on singing also. In similar way, if you record your topics, your definitions, your formulas in your voice, your subconscious mind knows your voice and it automatically likes it, and it helps you to remember it in a much better way, and you will retain it for a longer period of time. So indirectly, it helps you to remember and retain more. So the last thing is how to make it, how to record it. It's very easy, very easy to make, to record it. You just need to get a laptop, computer or your phone where you need an app where you can record, okay? Audio recorder, easy notes, or basically in every phone there is an audio recorder for sure. And if there is not, you can download any app from your app store and use it. Just try to save it properly, and if you want to save it in your laptop, take an external device so that storage is not a problem. Name it properly and make folders to it. And suppose if you don't have any app, you can record in your camera. Don't you don't need to record your video, but audio you can anytime record it. So audio recording facility is in each and every phone, so use that. I'm sure it will help you to remember and retain more. So students, that's it. This is how audio notes work. I am telling you, this is a great mechanism for any kind of student, of any class, of any degree, of any profession. It really helps you to remember and retain more. So students, use this mechanism in your studies, in your CA, any kind of degree which you are opting for. This is a kind of note making technique only, and I really hope this video will help you, and this is something I truly believe, and I have used it as well. So try this mechanism, students. Happy learning. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, do share it with your friends, with other students, so that they can also take the benefit out of it. Thank you so much.